Alright guys, welcome to Italy. We are here today in Sicily, Palermo guys. Kasama ko ngayon si
Nurse Kim.
Alright, ganda nun Nurse Kim. Shall I be back? Alright, so saan tayo ngayon, Kim?
Sa Palermo.
Alright guys, nandito kami sa harap ng Teatro Massimo. Ayan guys, yun yung Teatro Massimo. Okay, tawid na tayo. Alright. Ayan guys, yan yung Teatro Massimo. Alright. Isa sa mga must visit dito sa Palermo guys. Ayan guys, ito yung famous na pedestrianized street dito sa Palermo guys. Kaya dami mga restaurants, saka laming mga turista guys na nag-tour dito guys. Okay. Ayan guys, lakad-lakad lang kami dito. Tingnan natin kung makabangga tayo ng Chinese guys. Alright. Okay. Yan guys, marami kang makikita dito ng mga binibinta. No? Most of them I think came from China na binibenta dito na euro na guys. So ayan, marami ka talaga makikita dito. But yeah, look at the dress. Very nice, typical of Italian fashion. And you have also some... Ipanema ba to? Ibertop. Wala palang Ipanema guys. Alright, so ayan guys, mayroon ka rin makikita dito ng mga bags. Look at that. And yan, mga apparels, probably first class imitation. First class imitation. Okay. Alright, nandito na tayo guys. This is the most famous, I suppose this is the most famous part here, Palermo guys. And look at that guys, look at the pedestrians. They actually stop here in the middle of this cruising. Why? It's because of this architecture guys. Look at that. Ang ganda niya. And they are like pareho sila ng design guys, almost, but in different stages po. Okay? Kung titingnan mo yan guys, ang daming mga ano. Ayan, that's the way to the cathedral. Ayan guys. Alright. But first of all, punta muna tayo doon sa Fontana. Okay? Alright guys. So ito naman yung Fontana guys. Nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan. But yeah, this is one of those stops also here in Palermo. And look at that guys. What's so significant about this fountain falls here is that they are actually decorated with statues that are nude guys. Look at that. So ayan, nude siya. Alright. Alright, Fontana, I don't know, I forgot the name. At guys, malapit lang siya dito sa Vittorio Emanuele Street. Okay? Guys, napadaanan naman kami dito sa Riso. This is one of those famous na ano guys, museum dito sa Palermo. Ayan. Sayo tayo guys, sayo. Bakit ka tawa na tawa, Kim? Ikaw pa naman nagturo nito. So ayan guys, marunong ba kayo mag-Italiano guys? So ano to guys? Pipe. Ano yun? Lapa. Alright, lapa. Pipe. Alright. Ikaw talaga, Kim, ha? Ayan guys, this is the highlight of our short tour of Palermo today guys. And this is the Cattedrale di Palermo guys. Ayan guys, look at that guys, no? Ang ganda talaga ng architecture ng cathedral na to. And the Baroque style, and probably dates back to hundreds of years going back guys. So napakaganda talaga ng Cattedrale di Palermo. Ayan guys, pasukin natin. Ayan guys, yan ang cathedral, loob ng Cattedrale di Palermo guys. Alright, napakaganda talaga guys. Napakaganda ng architecture. Look at the altar. So nice. Ayan guys. Alright. O ano Kim, pagod ka na?
Okay lang.
Okay pa. Medyo elevated kasi yung ano guys, lakaran guys. Kaya mahihingal ka. Pero pabalik nito guys, okay na. Goods na kami. Alright. So ayan guys, yan ang Porto Nuevo. Alright. Sa mga stops din dito sa Palermo guys. And then this is the Piazza, I don't know. Ayan. Ayan guys, this is our last stop. And this is a museum kung saan nasa loob guys yung Palazzo de Normani. So ayan guys. Pero may bayad yan guys. Hindi na tayo papasok dahil may bayad nga. At doon naman guys yung ticketing office. Yan yung pila dyan. Okay. Guys, kaya medyo maanghit dito guys. Kasi dito umiihi yung mga kabayo guys. Okay. Alright. So ano. Okay ka na Kim?
Okay na daw, okay na.
Alright.
Pababa na.
Ayan guys. So ayan guys, sana makapunta din kayo dito sa Sicily guys. And especially yung Palermo kasi yung Palermo is one of the must visit here in the island of Sicily sa Italy. Alright. Again guys, buongiorno. Grazie mille. Thank you. And see you next time. Alright. Bye Kim.
Bye na.
Bye bye.